Are you ready to level up your future and gain real-world skills employers are looking for? Enroll in our Level Up Career Skills Workshop, led by the experts at Employment Support Services. Our workshop helps you explore different jobs and find out what you're good at and what interests you. We'll also guide you in looking at options for college or trade school so you can make the best choice for your future. We'll help you build skills you need for real jobs, like working with others, being independent, and knowing how to apply for jobs. You'll also earn your SNHD Food Handlers Card, an essential work card for food industry jobs. Our self-advocacy training helps you speak up for yourself, ask for what you need, and stand up for your interests. Skills that will help you in school, work, and life. And with work-based learning experiences, you'll gain hands-on skills at community sites like the Las Vegas Mini Grand Prix and the Animal Foundation, putting classroom learning into action and building your resume. Eligibility includes students ages 14 to 21 who meet any of the following: enrolled in an educational program, have a vocational rehabilitation counselor, or have an IEP, 504 plan, or documented disability. To enroll, use this QR code to complete an interest form. Our Client Service Coordinator will follow up with you to help navigate your eligibility and enrollment. Thanks for watching. We look forward to seeing you level up your skills.